Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Want to seamlessly link your Squarespace website to Instagram shopping? By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Instagram account connected and ready for your customers to shop directly from your posts. This integration lets you tag products and lets users discover your offerings while browsing their feed, helping you drive more sales right from social media. So if you're ready to take your online store's visibility to the next level, let's jump right in and walk through the entire process together. Okay, the first step is to head over to your Squarespace account. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and sign in with the email and password you use for your Squarespace site. Once you're in your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're working on the right site, especially if you manage more than one. It's easy to have several sites under your account, so just double-check that you're in the dashboard for the store you want to connect to Instagram shopping. Next, look toward the lower part of the left sidebar where you'll see the Settings tab. Click on this. It's your main control center for anything behind the scenes on your Squarespace site. Inside Settings, you'll find a lot of different options, but for connecting external apps, we want to navigate to the section labeled Third-Party Tools. Sometimes Squarespace updates their menus, so if you don't see it right away, take a deep breath. It's usually just under the Advanced or Connected Services sections. Remember, this menu is full of powerful options that can help boost your site's reach and streamline your business, so it's helpful to get familiar with what's here for future integrations, too. From here, look for a button or link called Connected Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This area is where all your linked accounts live things like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and exactly what we need today, Instagram. You might notice other accounts already connected in this section, but don't be too concerned if it looks a little empty. We're about to change that. Now you'll see Squarespace gives you options to connect a variety of social accounts. Select Instagram here. Sometimes Squarespace prompts you to confirm you want to connect a new account. Just follow any steps on the screen confidently. It may seem like a small thing, but connecting Instagram is what allows you to sync your product catalog and make shoppable tags possible in your posts and stories. Once you click Instagram, you'll be directed to log in to your Instagram account. It's really important here to use the account that's tied to your business and that you'll be using for shopping features. If you're not sure which account to choose, check your Instagram app and confirm you're using your professional or creator account. Instagram shopping only works with these types. This part might take a few moments, as you'll be asked for your username and password, and sometimes an authorization step just to confirm it's you. Don't worry if you get a few security prompts or notifications. It's all there to keep your account safe. After you complete the login, Squarespace and Instagram will link up behind the scenes. You'll see Instagram show up under the Connected Accounts, which means you're in business. At this point, your site can share product information to Instagram, letting visitors explore and purchase directly from your posts. And that's it, you're all set. Connecting Squarespace to Instagram shopping is a game changer, and now you'll be able to highlight your products to a brand new audience. If you ran into any trouble during these steps, revisit each menu to make sure you click the right options and double-check you're using a professional Instagram account. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Got any questions, or is there another integration you want to learn? Drop a comment below, I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. See you next time.